Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to Prime Coding. I am Aditya, and today we have an exciting news for you all. TCS has started hiring for 2025 batch, and the best part is anyone can apply. So in this video, we'll cover everything that you need to know about TCS, including key details about hiring process and the important topic you should focus on. And so as a special gift, I'm launching a new series of 15 days, 15 video packed with everything you need to know to ace TCS. If you're ready to kickstart your journey with TCS, let's dive in. TCS NQT hiring roles and CTC. So this thing basically fascinate most of the fresher, like how much they can expect the offers, whatever roles that they're gonna target for and practice for. Okay, so if you want to know about in-hand salary of all this, I have already uploaded a video on the profiles on Digital Prime Ninja, so that how much you can expect or how much would be your gross pay each month. Okay, so now CTC for Ninja for undergraduate and postgraduate. TCS offers two types of packages for undergraduate and postgraduate. If you are from undergraduate, you can expect 3.36 LPA, and for post, you can expect 3.53 LPA for TCS Ninja role, which is a very basic role, I would say, and it has a bond of at least 1 year, I guess. And TCS Digital role, 7 LPA for UG role, 7.3 LPA for Digital PG role. Okay, so this is a very nice role where you don't have bonds. Bonds means you can leave the company whenever you want without serving the notice period. Now, TCS Prime. CTC for Prime, UG, PG. So in UG, you can get 9 LPA as your per annum salary, and from PG, if you are from PG, you can expect 11.5 LPA for postgraduate candidates. So TCS Ninja Digital Prime is there for you to crack any of the roles. Okay, if you are from 2025 branch, so this is the thing. Hold on, I will let you know all the eligibility as well. Now, TCS NQT eligibility criteria. So this is a whole paragraph that you can see, but the thing is BTech, BE, which is Bachelor's of Engineering, Masters, MTech and MCA people are eligible for this particular opportunity. Specialization with AICTC and UGC organized university and colleges, which means why they have written is no distance learning program candidates are eligible for it. Only those university degrees which are approved by AICTE and UGC, those colleges degrees are valid for this particular opportunity. So minimum of 60% or 6 CGPA throughout the academics. Academics means 6 CGPA. How many CGPA you have till now? You should have at least more than 6 CGPA for this opportunity, and 60%, I would say, for 10th and 12th you should have 60% more than percentage in your SSC and high schools. Okay, now all pending backlogs arrears, which indirectly means backlogs, ATK should be cleared within the course duration stimulated by the university. So if you are in 7th semester right now and if you have any backlog, you can clear it up before 8th semester or after the 8th semester before winding up your college period. So yes, this thing you should make sure will fit inside your mind. Now, 60%, 60%, 60% will be 10th for 60%, 12th for 60%, and graduation for 60%, which is 6 CGPA. So guys, these are the things that you should know before sitting in the TCS NQT of filling up the form, because the filling of form also take much time. So please follow the eligibility criteria. I hope you don't have any issues. Please don't ask this either BCA eligible or not. This is the particular eligibility that we have found from their next portal, and the link of the portal you can find in the description. Just head on to the description. You will get a next portal where you can apply for TCS. Okay, now talked about the percentage. Now the application process, where step 1, step 2 is given to you. I will not deep dive into it. The scenario A type, scenario B type, okay, you just need to study about all these. These are the basic procedure of following the TCS and next step portal form. Now the thing is, select your mode in center and choose the preferred center and then click on apply. Why I am telling you this, because these types of procedure is needed to much of the candidate who don't know how to operate types of portals. Okay, so these you can take the screenshot or pause this video and have a quick run. Okay, now I will talk to the main part of this video, which is complete TCS preparation material, which is 15 days, 15 videos, and just for free. You don't need to buy any crash course. You just, I guarantee you, if whatever content for 15 days or more than 15 days, I would say, but 15 days, if you continuously followed all the video, I bet that the question or around a similar type of question you can expect in your TCS NQT exam. Now, Aditya, why you are making of a big claim is because recently also I have uploaded everything that you need to know about TCS, but it is somehow unstructured. But whoever want to study, you can just head out to my channel. You can find the TCS playlist. You just need to go to there and start solving all the questions and check. Also solve the previous or 2024 TCS NQT shifts. You can find the repetitive question which were already being taught in any of the video of mine. Okay, let it be a coding video. So I will create an extensive course for free and I will upload on this YouTube. Okay, so you just need to head on to the like button, at least have 300 to 400 likes and 100 comments that you need the series, and I will upload you for you guys so that you can crack it. Okay, 100% you can crack it, it's my bet. Now let's see this message, what it is. I'm excited to let you know that I got the prime role. The mock session were tremendous help and thank you for the information on your channel. Your guidance was also very insightful. Thanks a ton and everything. So this is the thing of one of our candidate who took our mock session, and after mentoring him, see, he got a prime role worth rupees 9 LPA, and next could be you. So now the thing is, in the mock session, I will provide you a detailed technical session as well as the HR and managerial problem, because in the interview panel, there would be 3 members. One is technical lead, managerial, and HR people. Okay, so all these type of interview would be taken by me. And the thing is, the extensive interview is of 1 hour, and after the 1 hour, I will let you know about your resume review, how you should upgrade your resume, what is the false part in your resume and how you can update it, as well as the personalized feedback, which means whatever thing that you are not able to speak well, the cases where you are not able to represent yourself, or the thing that you need to improve, everything I will let you know with the solutions. Now, suggestion for future improvements such as resources, the roadmap of how many days will be left for your interview, everything I will let you know so that you can get your offer. So for this, you just need to go on www.primecoding.in. You will find n number of things there. Just read the success story as well. Then only trust us. Now, if you invest hundreds of bucks, in return, you will get lakhs of returns. So twice think about this, then only come to this mock session. Land your dream job. Step 1, which is a TCS NQT appear test, which is a very test one. Now get your TCS NQT score, which the scorecard they will give you on the mail, and apply for multiple jobs on website. So this is the particular format of paid TCS NQT. Okay, now apply the jobs for corporate and website too, and get the job basic on TCS Ion NQT and their suitability. So this is the dream job roadmap in a nutshell. Okay, now TCS NQT test pattern would be 190 minutes test and foundational section, which is a verbal ability, 25 question, 25 minutes, regional ability, 20 question, 25 minutes, and numerical ability, 20 question, 25 minutes. Now you might be wondering, so Aditya, how I can prepare for my aptitude, because you only put the content for technical. Guys, I did n number of podcasts with a digital candidate, most of the digital candidate, and few are primes also. So I have totally discussed about all the resources that you should see, or what all you need to refer before preparing for your TCS NQT. So all the resources is discussed on these podcasts. You can just head over to our channel, go to the playlist section, you will find a success story playlist. Just check out the videos, whatever you profile you are interested in, and yes, follow those resources. Now, advanced sections also are there, where the question level is bit medium to hard level, which is an advanced quantitative aptitude, which is advanced reasoning as well, 15 questions, 25 minutes, and advanced coding ability, which is 3 questions, 90 minutes. If you are able to solve 70 to 80% question right and one one question in programming, then definitely you will get a digital role. Okay, so if you're able to solve both the questions and 70% of the right answer in the aptitude, then you can eligible to qualify for prime role. Okay, and if you have did pretty well in your aptitude section, then you can expect for the ninja role. Okay, now TCS NQT syllabus, which is statistics, percentage, time and work, and many more things that you can see. Everything is in control of numerical ability, and there is an ability of foundation section, which is a coding, decoding, cuts, basically all topics of aptitude, and there are resources which discussed in the podcast as well. Now, the thing is, verbal ability and advanced quantitative, you can find the numbers questions here, as well as verbal, which is based on the English. Now, let's talk about advanced reasoning ability, which has some advanced level of questions of sitting arrangement, statement, conclusion, data arrangement and stuff, but we'll focus more on advanced coding, which will be taken care by one of the channel, which is Prime Coding, which is basically an initial stage for famous for TCS NQT preparation. If you see the podcast of our prime role, he was continuously following our video, and now he got a prime role into his hand, and next can be you. Now, and number of questions that I will cover, you don't need to think a lot. You just need to read the particular like aims and the comment aim. So yes, all the video will be uploaded in next week or day after tomorrow, because we have gathered a number of details. We talked to the TCS crackers and the session crackers who took the session as well and got successfully transit to their prime role or digital role. We'll sit with them and created an n number of question list, finding out the patterns, and only those important stuff I will cover on the video, which will be one-stop solution, so that you don't need to suffer here and there buying multiple courses. Now, TCS NQT important topics till now we can figure it out as basic data structure, which is array, string, linked list, stacks and queues are the question you can expect. If you don't believe me, I have already uploaded the interview experiences of multiple states. So you can just head over to the TCS NQT interview experience. You can find these types of videos there. Now, advanced data structure would be trees, graphs and hashing. If you got qualified for prime role, then they can expect you to know basic traversals in the tree or a non-linear data structure. Now, algorithm would be bubble sort, which is a very trendy question in the 2024 shift of TCS NQT, and dynamic programming as well. Now, pattern printing is one of the hottest topic, which I will cover for sure after covering all the theory as well as after putting all the video regarding the OA first. OA means online assessment. Now, mathematical problem, number theory, combinatorics and probability questions are also being asked in online assessment. Now, bit manipulation is also asked in one of this shift only. They asked this question, which was pretty medium level lead code question. Now, recursion and backtracking was question also asked in some of the shifts where you need to perform the grid operations. Now, object oriented programming concepts of Java and C++ role as well as Python will try to cover all the object oriented thing in my video. Now, TCS NQT interview process, which is written exam happens in the center and interview happens online. So yes, you need to prepare it. But the thing is, nowadays they are not taking interviews online. You need to go to particular centers but for few states they usually conduct online. Let's say in few of the people were able to give online interview, but many of the people were eligible or they are going on site for giving their interview. Okay, so the interview duration would be 20 to 30 minutes only, and see how much time I am giving you in the mock session, which is 1 hour, at least 2 hours I am giving you, okay, in just hundreds of words. Now, TR, MR, HR is the thing that you need to crack in the interview. Now, interview will be taken by 1, 2 or 3 panelists. You can expect that dates or results after a month, I would say, because most of the people got result after a month. Now, preparation resources, TCS interview playlist, you can see interview experience, her top analyze 1000 plus questions as well in the TCS, and I've uploaded the video and TCS Prime interview and many more stuff that I've given you. Okay, so all these stuffs are available, and thanks for watching this video till now. I appreciate your patience. Please subscribe the channel, like the video so that you can achieve a target of like aim, and comment down these yes I need the series or series, just a series word it would enough, don't spam. Okay, and please share with your friends so that you can help them also to grow in their career, and they can also able to crack the TCS well. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.